good morning, and welcome to another episode of Walter Wing's Blacksmithing. Today we are completing drawing out the 4 billets that I was working on in a previous video, and after we're done with that, I'm going to choose one, and we're going to see if I can't draw a knife blank up out of it. We'll see how it goes. Few heats of the day, and I wanted to show you where we're at. So, as a reminder, we started with 3/4 inch by 2.5 inches up to 4.5 inches. So here's an example of what we started with, and here is what we're ending with. I think it's a nice, mostly uniform thickness. It's good length also. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. My tongs held up today. I think we're doing all right. I will see you. I almost dropped that down right onto my hand. I will see y'all later on as we wing another day.